Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making a polo crop V type of shirt. This is the before. You already saw the after. Anyways, you start off by ripping the seams. I mean, if you want to, you can rip the seams. I tried to, but it just wasn't working. So I got scissors and then I cut at the seam. I removed the sleeve and I detached the front from the back. Disclaimer, there are a lot of mouth sounds in this video. Anyways, enough about this shirt. How are you doing? How are you feeling? How's your day been? Is it nighttime? Is it daytime? Is it afternoon? How's your family doing? How are you doing? How's school? Are you even in school? I'm not. I'm unemployed. Temporarily. Until I go to NAS. And then you get a shirt that fits you well. And then you place it on top. And then you fold in at the top. For the halter top, I didn't fold mine in properly. So just follow the lines right there. And then you pin it. You pin the shirts together. And then you begin cutting. And don't forget to add your seam allowances everywhere. I added them. But the halter is just not haltering. It's not giving off halter. And then at the bottom, you cut off a little bit longer for the V shape thingy. Someone count how many times I say and then, or halter top. And then you begin forming your V. That's very complicated. So what I did is that I measured the length and then I divided it by 2. And that was basically the measure. For some reason, while I was measuring, I used a pen. Don't do that. Bad idea. It's not coming off ever. Be sure to first check before you pin. I pinned then I checked. Anyways, it's nighttime here. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. It's on the screen. And also subscribe and like the video. And then you begin with the back. You pin your shirt, your front to the back, and then you cut off a piece from the back. Still don't forget seam allowance. But then again, you don't really need seam allowance because it's really tight and stretchy. Yeah, just ignore the fact that mine is way too long. And for some reason my comments have been off since my first video. I don't even know what's going on, but to compensate for that, follow my Instagram. That's how it should look. And then you take your back piece. I cut mine a little, and then you pin in the seams. And then first I took a pencil and a ruler, and then I drew 2 lines to mark where I will be sewing so it's straight. And then I used a straight stretch stitch. It's super simple to do, but it takes so much time. But it is kind of worth it. If you have a sewing machine, just use that. Just make sure that the stitch you use allows the fabric to stretch easily. And don't forget to cut the edges when you're done sewing. And then for the V part, I used an invisible stitch. This is the part where I realized that the halter is not haltering. So then I sewed it already, but then I just folded it in and then I re-sewed it again. And then I did the other side very close to the end of the shirt. And then you place the front and the back sides with the insides facing each other. Then you sew it up. I think I forgot to film that part. And for the back, I folded in a piece to create like a dart. And now here I'm just removing I was trying to remove the embroidery, but it really didn't work because I made a hole, and then I gave up on it. And there you go, you just made for yourself a really cute polo V crop type of shirt. You can wear this on picnics, you can wear this at home, you can wear this on TikTok. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, okay, not comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.